Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.